Hi guys, today we are going to describe the insert statement in MySQL. First of all, let me see what is the main use of this insert statement in MySQL. The insert statement allows you to insert one or more records into a table. Here, the record is also called as tuple or also considered as row. For example, when you want to insert one record, how we are going to insert? For example, if you want to insert multiple records at a time, how we are going to use the syntax? Let me see the first one. To insert a single record, we use insert into class, which is followed by a table name. This table contains n number of columns, column 1, column 2 and so on up to column n. For each column we are providing a values, value 1, value 2 and so on, value 1. So with this syntax, at a time we can insert one record into a table. I want to insert multiple records at a time, so then you can use insert into table name. The column list is similar to the previous case and values of values 1, values 2, values n. So this value 1, value 2 and so on value 1 is considered as a first record and value 1, value 2 and so on value n is considered as a second record and this value 1, value 2 and so on value n is considered as a third record. Each record is separated by comma operator here. So for example, if you want to insert the data for only a selected columns, now you can use this syntax insert into table name column 1 comma column 2. So there may have n number of columns, but I don't want to insert the values for all the columns. I want to insert only for column 1 and column 2. Then specify only column 1 and column 2 here and the values value 1, value 2 will be inserted into the column 1 and column 2. So select the databases. As we know, show databases will display all the databases available. Use sample DB. If you use here show tables command, we have only one table. Select star from student. Here the select statement is going to display the complete data that is present in this table. As of now, we have not inserted any records into this table. The describe command is used to display the schema of this table. Now we have 4 columns in this table: name, register number, marks and join date. The first syntax is insert into table name is here student. We can use a parenthesis for specifying the column names. The first column name is name, comma second column name is register number, comma third column name is marks and fourth column is join date. For these columns, insert values. The first value is assume the first column is A, comma and the register number of the student is 100, comma marks of this student is 65, comma the join date of this student is assumed 2015 and December and 10th. The format of this date will take year, month and day, and now I will use semicolon. Now if you observe here, the query is okay, one row is affected. Let me display the data. Select star from student. Now you will have one record here with the name is a 165 and the date of the student on which date he joined. Now let me go to the second statement, insert into student. For example, name, register number, comma, marks, comma, join date. I want to insert multiple values at a time, so then you can use B101, marks is 70, comma, date is 2016, 11, 10. This is the first record, comma, and I am going to insert the another record. The student name is C, register number is 102, comma, marks is 75, the date is 2017, 9, 10 is the date. This is the second record, and the third record I am going to insert D, comma, 103 is the register number and marks are 80, comma, date is 2018, month is 9 and date is 15. If you observe here, query is okay, 3 rows are affected. At a time, I am inserting 3 values into the table. So use select star from student. You can get the complete data of the student table now, which contains 4 records. So now we will take another example, select into student. Previously I used column names here. If I won't use column names, what will be the output of this? Values of E, comma, register number is 104, comma, marks are 85, comma, date is 2018 and month is 10, date is 10. I have used select but have to use insert into student. Values of the student name is E, 104, 85, comma, date is the same date 2018, 10 hyphen 10 hyphen 10 hyphen 10. Now also the query is okay, but here how many number of attributes that are presented in the table, you have to give the values in the same order. For example, if I use insert into student values of F, comma, 103. If I give like this, why? Because there are 4 columns in the table, but you are giving only 2 values for that. So whenever you are inserting the data for a specific column, you have to use name, comma, register number, values of F, comma, 104. If I use 105, now the query is in work. Select star from student. You will get all the records, but if you observe in the last statement, I inserted only 2 values for name and register number columns only. For the other columns, by default, SQL will take null value. Similarly, for the other records, so it is inserted all the values because we used all the column names. For each column name, we have inserted the corresponding value for that. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.